guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. So today we are doing a quick review and installation highlight on this crochet hairstyle that I'm wearing currently. This is the twisted out wavy bum twist. There are so many variations. Sometimes I question if I've done it before, you know? So this is what the pack looks like. There are actually 2 additional bundles. Each pack comes with 3 bundles, and this is in the color 2T1B425. So the color I'm pretty sure I've used before, but not this style. I do enjoy this brand because I feel like I get so many options to be able to style my hair, which I am currently loving. What do you guys think about it? Are you guys digging the color? Is it a bit too much? I personally like it. So it looks like this on the model, and I think she looks cute. I will show you guys in the video what I do. My style, my technique hasn't changed. I do pretty much the same things, and I will just show you as I go along and basically give you an overview of the crochet hairstyle. All right, so here we go. This is gonna be the Outre twisted out wavy bum twist. This is 14 inches, and this is in the shade 2T1B425. Each pack comes with 3 bundles, which I will be using throughout the video. And like I mentioned, my technique has not changed whatsoever. You loop in the hair and basically secure it. I will repeat the steps throughout the hair. You push it through, you loop it, and you secure it. Very, very simple. If you've seen my previous videos, you are very familiar with my technique. So here we go. So I will continue the process throughout the hair because I do not want to bore you guys with all the details. And once I'm satisfied with the hair, I go through and make sure that there are no spaces that are showing, and I use the extra hair to fill in the gaps all over. So yeah, I'm filling the hair so far. It's looking good. As you can see, I'm really digging it, kind of trying to see how it will look with my face and everything. And the back is looking pretty good, not many spaces, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. And yeah, the look is definitely coming along, as you guys can see in the video. So here we go. This is kind of it for the look and the installation process. And yeah, that's basically it for the installation, guys. It's simple. It's so convenient because my summer vacation is unfortunately over. I'm back at work and I don't have the time to worry about my hair. So the reason I love crochet hairstyles are so easy, inexpensive, and very, very fast. So yeah, they're super convenient and kind of takes away from you having to play in your hair every day, you know. So yeah, I do enjoy this. Like I said, I will leave the details below in the description box. I will also leave it on the screen in case you're interested. I bought 3 packs and I used 2 full packs and 2 bundles from this pack. So I almost used 3 packs basically. Each pack comes with 3 bundles. If you have questions about the hairstyle, the color, they'll be in the description box. If you have additional questions about this crochet hairstyle, feel free to ask below and I will answer them as soon as they come in. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.